What are we doing here, Tim?
We've got a show.
We've got a show! Yay! I'm not in costume yet, Tim. Are you?
Not really, no.
Not really? I hope there's a place to get into costume. I actually have no idea what this event is. I see circus people. Whoa, it's big.
Hi.
What's going on? Nice hat.
The youth circus group sliders from the circus.
Oh, that's exciting.
Please put your hands together for a half man, half pirate, all fun, the one and only pirate man, Michael Speranza!
The Sliders Youth Circus! Now it's Sliders with a Z.
Are you ready to see some circus? Please put your hands together. Starring the ancient mystical Eastern art of the Diablo. Those of you familiar with it will know that it is a name that is whispered in hushed tones throughout the deepest and darkest corners of the most occult parts of the mystical world. Those of you who have seen it on stage before will know that it's a weird yo-yo thing. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the supremely talented and wonderful Ella!
It hasn't rained all day and I'm just about to go on. And it's raining now. Which doesn't matter because my stage is undercover, but the audience isn't.
You should go soon because it's starting to rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's raining already.
I'm ready now. Cool.
Yeah,
I think everyone's gonna disappear.
Yeah, me too.
Oh well.
So if any of you are water soluble, just be careful for the next few minutes, as I believe water will be falling from the sky. This is unprecedented in the world, and could, you know, there could be ramifications. You see the wonderful voice of Sliders.
Gig's done. How was that, Tim?
Yeah, it was alright.
What happened? It rained just before I went on stage. That was good timing. But everything else was like pretty good. Music went fine. That MC guy was hilarious. I didn't get his name. I don't know who he was. Oh my god, I'm tired. Oh, I'm tired.